This is a relatively new product. Kingston actually, for the longest time they had their Fury X lineup, right? But this time they updated with the FuryBeast and combined RGB, because what is the surprise? So is it any good? Let's find out. Hey guys, this is Chester here. You guys are watching our channel at Chester and Unboxing. Before we continue, please do support our video, support our channel. If you have liked this video, please like it and share our channel and subscribe, because it really mean a lot to us if you guys can just do a little bit of this kind of things. This is the Kingston FuryBeast. What is it? It's actually RAM but Beast. This is actually a piece of RAM that has been decorated with RGB. So without further ado, let's just take a quick look around the packaging. So DDR4, naturally. DDR4, 2 sticks of 8 gig each for a total of 16 gigs. Gigs. Yeah, and let's open it up. So upon opening, you realize that it is DDR4. Yeah, just make sure that it's DDR4, right? Don't DDR5. Memory sticks are not cost compatible with previous generations. So yes, DDR4, couple of sticks. This is where the RGB strip is gonna be. So just make sure that you actually have the software. Otherwise, you buy RGB for what? Yeah. But some people, they would like to put RGB, right? And then in the software, they like to put a very dim color or a very dim pulsing color. So it's like, it's really there, but not really there. You get what I mean? Yeah, so different kinds of styles which actually suit your preference. This is a 16 gig stick. So the timings of this is actually 16, 18, 18 FuryBeast. So they have, included is also stickers. Not sure why you want to put, but stickers. And I believe this is their warranty and installation guide. Yeah, if you don't really know how to install DDR4, just remember, if you don't, memory specifically, in general, memory, just open the latch and then you push it down. Make sure you align the latch first, okay, and then you push it down until you hear a click in each side. This kit comes in 3200 megahertz, so they come in different speeds. So 32 is actually the sweet spot for most people. If you're not really going to overclock, 32 is okay. But if you're going to overclock, then why not just get higher lah? Then you can actually have better rated kits and that better endurance as well. This comes with XMP certified, so you actually can run your Intel processors and fit it in with the XMP profile. Make sure you do that in the BIOS, if not your 32 number is just out the window. Alright, so yeah, that's a very quick and nice but fast review of the Kingston FuryBeast. Oh, the name sounds so atas. FuryBeast. Yeah, must pronounce it that way. Kingston FuryBeast. Graphics. Kingston FuryBeast. Memory from Kingston. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so yet. I'm Chester, that's all for today. See you guys.